When you think of watches with impeccable dials, most would immediately turn to Grand Seiko, and honestly, that's not surprising. They create some of the best nature-inspired dials in modern watchmaking. Paired with the legendary Zaratsu polished indexes and classic dial layout, you get quite a complete package for a premium high-quality watch. It's a brand with great history, technology, and craftsmanship, yet something prevents collectors and enthusiasts from pulling the trigger on certain models. And this SPGE 215 is one of those examples, a near perfect Grand Seiko. Let's talk about it. If you're looking for your next watch, check out Swiss Connection watches for new or pre-owned watches, with new arrivals every week. Thanks. Let's start with the positives. While Grand Seiko is known for its dressier offerings, the SPGE 215 features a sportier, bolder design, yet it doesn't stray from the traditional polished Grand Seiko aesthetic that we're used to seeing. The case alternates between a brushed finish and Zaratsu polish. It makes the watch feel rugged enough to battle the elements while showcasing the almost obsessive attention to detail that Grand Seiko is known for. At first glance, it's quite simple, but that is where Grand Seiko's mastery of dial making becomes apparent. It's a black dial with a glossy finish that reflects light extremely well and helps create depth. The black theme extends to the 24-hour bezel surrounding the dial, creating a stealthier overall appearance. The warm metallic accents contrast beautifully against the black backdrop, adding a sense of luxury and refinement without becoming overly flashy. Also adding a touch of the iconic red and black Coke colorway without resembling anything else out there. The polarizing power reserve indicator can be found on the left center. It's polarizing, but it has become an immediate identifier of the Spring Drive alongside the liquidy smooth sweep of the seconds hand. Functionality is also another area where the watch shines, featuring a true traveler or flyer GMT complication, making adjusting the time during travel an absolute breeze. Basically, you can set the hour hand independently of the GMT hand, allowing frequent flyers to switch between time zones quickly without needing to reset the GMT hand. It's also very legible thanks to the beefier handset and markers and the generous amounts of Lumibright applied. The watch is water resistant to 200 meters with a screw-down crown and a solid case back, adding to the sportier look and feel. Additionally, the case and bracelet are constructed out of high-strength titanium, ensuring impressive long-term durability and a surprising amount of comfort for a sports watch of this caliber. The SPGE 215 is powered by the Spring Drive caliber 9R66. It offers 72 hours of power reserve and a flyer GMT function. What makes the Spring Drive special is how it combines the best of quartz and mechanical movements. The 9R66 caliber is fundamentally mechanical with a mainspring and a gear train that delivers power to the balance wheel. But instead of the traditional balance wheel, it features a frictionless glide wheel. And to ensure that the power isn't released all at once, there's a quartz crystal regulator that functions as the pallet fork, allowing the 9R66 caliber to achieve an impressive accuracy of plus 15 seconds per month. Of course, no watch is perfect, and that's where the size of the SPGE 215 comes in. This is a big watch. Although lightweight thanks to its titanium build, it is still chunky. It measures 44mm in case diameter with a thickness of 14.5mm and a lug-to-lug of 51mm. While the slight curve at the lugs do help with improved wearability, the massive overall size means that it won't appeal to smaller wrists. Secondly, while the finishing on the bracelet itself is excellent and matches the case, the overall execution leaves room for improvement. This being a modern sports watch with professional dive watch specifications and dimensionality, the lack of an on-the-fly micro-adjustment on the clasp is fairly noticeable. Grand Seiko has remedied this by introducing their brand new bracelet system on the 2026 Ushio Diver, but this being an older model still lacks that feature. But on the bright side, you can pick these up at a bargain compared to the Ushio Diver's premium. It's a great watch. It's sporty, the finishing is amazing, the dial is beautiful, and it's powered by the legendary Spring Drive caliber, one of the best movement innovations we've seen in the past few decades. But this watch in particular is definitely made for the Rolex Sea Dweller and the Omega Seamaster 300M chronograph crowd. Definitely not for the faint-hearted. But overall, what do you think? Visit Swiss Connection Watches for more exceptional watches. Also do subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Thanks.